Imagine you're a project manager navigating the complex waters of modern project management. You've heard about Agile methodologies, their promise of flexibility, and their ability to deliver high-quality products quickly. But with so many tools on the market, the question arises, is Wrike one of them? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Agile. Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban are centered around iterative development, collaboration, and flexibility. They emphasize continuous improvement and the ability to adapt to changing requirements. Key principles include iterative development, breaking projects into smaller, manageable cycles called sprints. Continuous improvement, regularly reviewing and refining processes. Collaboration, fostering teamwork and communication. Flexibility, adapting to changes throughout the project lifecycle. Wrike. A brief overview. Wrike is a popular project management tool known for its versatility and ability to handle a wide range of projects. It offers features like task management, time tracking, collaboration tools, and reporting capabilities. But does it align with the core principles of Agile? Key features and Agile alignment. Let's examine some of Wrike's key features and see how they fit into an Agile framework. Task boards. Wrike's task boards can be configured to mimic Agile workflows like Kanban, making it easy to visualize the progress of your project. Sprints. While Wrike doesn't have a built-in sprint feature, you can create custom workflows and timeframes to simulate sprints. Burn-down charts. Wrike provides burn-down charts, a valuable tool for tracking progress and identifying potential bottlenecks. Collaboration features. Wrike's collaboration tools, including real-time commenting and file sharing, facilitate effective teamwork, a cornerstone of Agile. Customizable workflows. Wrike's flexibility allows you to create custom workflows that match your specific Agile methodology or hybrid approach. Advantages of using Wrike for Agile. Using Wrike for Agile projects can offer several advantages. Improved visibility. Wrike's task boards and reporting features provide a clear overview of project progress, making it easier to identify potential issues and make adjustments. Enhanced collaboration. Wrike's collaboration tools foster teamwork and communication, ensuring that everyone is aligned and working towards the same goals. Increased flexibility. Wrike's customizable workflows allow you to adapt to changing requirements and priorities, a key aspect of Agile methodologies. Centralized platform. Wrike serves as a central hub for all project-related information, reducing the need for multiple tools and improving efficiency. Potential limitations. While Wrike is a powerful tool, it's important to consider its potential limitations when used for Agile projects. Learning curve. Wrike can have a steep learning curve, especially for teams new to project management tools. Customization. While Wrike offers customization options, it may not be as flexible as some dedicated Agile tools. Pricing. Wrike's pricing plans can be costly for larger teams or organizations. So, is Wrike an Agile tool? The answer is, it can be, but it depends on your specific needs and how you configure it. Wrike's features and flexibility make it a viable option for many Agile teams. However, it's essential to evaluate your project requirements and consider the potential limitations before making a decision. Ultimately, the best tool for your Agile projects is the one that aligns with your team's workflow, budget, and goals. By carefully considering Wrike's features and limitations, you can determine if it's the right fit for your organization. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.